The kombuchas have been delivered. This is the Mohawk company, and I ordered all the flavors. So we have ginger flavor, we have lemon, the lemonade. So this has come in 250 ml pack, and when you order direct from the company, it's cheaper than when you buy from the supermarket. So this is Berrylicious, the red one, lemon, Berrylicious, so we have ginger kombucha. This is mango wild. Sorry, mango wild. We have ginger. We have peach. We have Berrylicious, and then we have lemonade. I think lemon. So you're supposed to keep them refrigerated because it has active bacteria that is very good for your gut. So let's refrigerate our kombucha. Come here. Those are the fresh. So if you're not drinking kombucha yet, then I don't know what you're drinking. It's good for your gut health. And you know, many diseases begin from if your gut is not healthy. But when you have a healthy gut, then you're going to prevent very, very many diseases. So you can have kombucha, you can have probiotic yogurt. You can make your own probiotics, by the way, in the house. Just ferment things. You can ferment cabbage, that is kimchi. You can ferment, you can Google and see. And keep your gut healthy. So this is kombucha. It's a lot. I ordered 45 bottles, and I know everyone is gonna love. Flavors. So if you want to order, go to their page in Instagram, Mohawk Kombucha, and you order, and it will be delivered to your doorstep. My God, the fridge is complaining that it's been open. Quite a lot So there we go, our kombuchas. You can see that, and we're done.